I do have some unboxings and first impressions to do for some fragrances I didn't really expect to receive at all. So let's just find out what do we have here after this intro and see if anything is good in here. What is going on, guys, and welcome again to another video. Again, today's video it's an unboxing and first impressions for some packages I didn't really expect to receive. No, I lied, I'm sorry. One of them I didn't expect at all to receive. And the other package, they saw one of my videos like 10-12 years ago from their brand, and they were like, you featured one of our fragrances, so let's just send you some more. And I was like, thank you. Because I am not familiar with this brand at all, but the fragrance I already own, which they already sent it to me twice. So I have 2 bottles of this fragrance already. But let's just leave this brand to the end and let's just go with Maison de l'Avenir, which they sent me a box I didn't really expect, or they didn't tell me anything. I didn't know until I found this box in front of my doorsteps. Thank you so much, with these 2 fragrances right here that I haven't opened yet. So I don't know what to expect. What do we have here? So we're just gonna smell these 2 fragrances in front of you guys. I don't even know if this is new or old or whatever the case may be, but I'm happy to receive some good stuff from one of my favorite Arabian fragrances, Maison de l'Avenir. They usually have some great packaging and they use also very good raw materials too, and everything. So let's just see. I have a scissor here. I do have a scissor. I'm prepared in a way. A little bit. Just a little bit. Let's see what do we have here. I am excited and I just wanna smell something good today. Today is gloomy and I want something good to actually boost my mood a little bit. So let's just use this napkin that I use as a tester strip because I ran out of tester strips. They're coming on the way though. This one is strong. It seems strong. I like the bottle. It's very chic, like old schoolish in a way. And that fragrance smells old schoolish too. It's sweet but dark at the same time. It reminds me somewhat of something Narciso Rodriguez would make. It feels musky, floral. It reminds me somewhat of this very first initial spray of Bleu Noir by Narciso Rodriguez. I like it. It's dark floral, gloomy, a little bit musky, but manly at the same time. Very, very chic. I'm really happy with this one right here, Vortex Echo. Again, it reminds me a lot of Narciso Rodriguez. It's very, very, very nice. I really like this one a lot. And this is, again, a very first initial spray. So I don't know how this one will develop on my skin. Well, when I wear it, of course. Or how's the dry down. But it also seems very strong. So I'm happy with that too. And it's perfect for this gloomy weather we're having today. So probably I'll make this my scent of the day. I don't know, we'll see. So let's just see this one right here, Maison de l'Avenir Majestic Millennium. So I like the box. The box is very sturdy, like cardboard, but very sturdy cardboard type of a box. So let's see how to open this because I just don't want to make a mess in front of you guys. I want to look sophisticated, kind of, you know. Look at this packaging, guys. Majestic Millennium by Maison de l'Avenir. I like their bottle. Oh, look, this bottle is kind of like green. Oh my God, I love this bottle. I don't know if you guys can see that or not, but it's kind of like a washed green with darker green or black in a way. Lovely, lovely bottle. I love this color too. So I'm excited with this fragrance right here based off the bottle itself. So let's just get this fake tester strip and let's just spray it. Hopefully it's something green for this spring season that it is coming up. Okay. I like it. This one is fresh. I need to spray more because the other one is much stronger. I'm gonna spray my hand because this one seems like it's kind of like kiwi. I don't know. Oh, this one is very nice. This one is fresh, but darker fresh at the same time. All the fragrances I've smelled so far from Maison de l'Avenir, they have this old school, old money touch into it. And this one does have that too. This one is definitely greener, fresher, cologne-y. It's got some green nuances in it, but it's fresh and clean too. But definitely got that old school vibe into it. I like it. It smells very different, but it smells definitely old schoolish. I really like this one quite a bit. Majestic Millennium, it's great for this upcoming spring season. For a fact, I like it a lot, especially on my hand. It smells very clean and very regal and very masculine. So this is when it comes to Maison de l'Avenir. Let's just go to Marone. They sent me like 4 fragrances. I already own this one, which is Marone Black, which is a very close reminiscent fragrance to Bal d'Afrique by Byredo. And this is the bottle they sent me, and it calls Marone's Black pour Homme. This is a very good one. I bought it, I don't know, like 10, 12 years ago or so as a substitute to the very niche, expensive fragrance Byredo Bal d'Afrique. And this one, as a matter of fact, smells a lot like Bal d'Afrique, but it performs even better. So if you wanted something that smells like Bal d'Afrique, performs better, a little bit less expensive, try Marone's Black pour Homme. So let's just go with the next one we have here. Let's just grab Marone's Oud Black Parfum. So I guess this is an oudier version of this one right here, which the one that smells like Byredo Bal d'Afrique. I'm not sure. I haven't smelled this one at all. So let's just see the packaging. The packaging seems nice too. Look at this bottle right here. It looks like the other bottle, but this one is kind of like golden, or like kind of like rose gold in a way looking. Plastic cap just like the other one. So let's just spray this one and see if it's any good. Where's the hole? Where is the hole? I'm excited for this one because I really like Black pour Homme by Marone's. I've been having that bottle for the longest time, and surprisingly enough, I made it my scent of the day, one of the days last week before I received this packages. This one smells strong and it's really good. Okay, I like this one. This one is kind of like spicy. This one is really nice, okay? I don't know the notes. I didn't check the notes as a matter of fact. But I'm telling you, it smells a little bit, but not entirely like Initio Oud for Greatness. It reminds me somewhat of Oud for Greatness by Initio. That saffron is popping up big time. So this one, it's definitely spicier, drier, less sweet. So far out of this very first initial spray. This one is really nice. Oud Black Parfum by Marone's. I like this one quite a bit. I'm happy with this purchase so far. Not purchase, they sent it to me for free, but I'm happy with this bottle. Let's just grab another one. Let's just grab the first one from their metal collection. They told me they have a black collection and a metal collection. So we smell the black collection, which is one smells like Byredo Bal d'Afrique on steroids. Smells much stronger definitely than Byredo Bal d'Afrique. And the other one smells kind of like Oud for Greatness. So let's just see the metal collection. What do they smell like? So this is the bottle right here. It looks like I almost dropped it. It looks like a fingerprint magnet. So let's just spray this one right here and let's just see if it's any good. Ooh. Maybe my nose is tired a little bit after smelling all these strong fragrances. Oh, okay. All right. This one is definitely fresher, lighter. It smells like something I know though, but this one is definitely fresh, like musky fresh. But after smelling these strong fragrances, I'm not really giving this fragrance justice at all. It smells somewhat fruity, It smells metallic like the name Ron Marone's Metal. It smells very metallic, fresh metallic. It smells like something I know. I like how fresh it is. This is very clean, fresh, summery scent. I can't pinpoint what does it smell like so far, but I really like the smell of it. But it's something I know for a fact. It smells really good. Very metal, very sharp smelling, citrusy, slightly fruity, but not sweet fruity. Musky, and I like it. This one will be a win for this upcoming summer time, especially and the hotter spring days. I like it. I need to get back to it because unfortunately this one is really fresh compared to the other stronger, darker fragrances that I smelled before that. I honestly didn't give it justice, but I like it. Metal by Ron Marone's. It seems to be a good scent. So this one right here calls Metal Carbon Oud. So probably it is a darker, oodier version of the previous one. Let's see, I'm not sure. So this one again, it's kind of like gold colored like the other bottle. So let's just spray this and hopefully it's good. It has definitely got that metallic factor into it, but this one definitely sweeter, a little bit stronger. It's like spicy, sweet, but fresh at the same time with that metallic factor into it. It's kind of like fresh, but Middle Easterny at the same time with that oud factor. That smells a little bit like saffron to me, honestly. It doesn't smell like oud, like the barnyardish oud, no. It smells more like a saffrony, leathery oud. It's definitely sweeter, definitely metallic, metal, carbon oud. This one is good too. I really like everything I've smelled so far. Yeah, I like it. I probably make this one my scent of the day because I really like this one. It's kind of like fresh, but dark at the same time. So it's right in between, but definitely it's got that metallic factor into it. It smells like metal. Like fresh, musky metal, a little bit sweet, a little bit saffrony. That's how this one smells to me, pretty much. So this is pretty much it, guys, with another unboxing and first impressions. Let me know in the comment section down below if you like this type of on-the-spot videos, so I can do these type of videos for you guys in the future. They usually don't get that many views, but I like to have my raw opinion for fragrances that I haven't smelled before. I usually, like, if you guys can see, I opened it in front of you guys to be surprised just like you are. So if you like this type of videos, please show me some love by liking this video. Click that subscribe button. Check out the links down there for my favorite fragrances and most of these fragrances as well. Share this video and let me know where you're watching me from. What is your neck of the wood and what is your scent of the day? I'm gonna work on these fragrances and I'll get back to you if they're any good. And see you guys next time. Peace.